So right now I'm going to be using this Pore Eraser Primer from Maybelline, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. Next, I'm using this Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline, and I'm just going to take that and put it on my face. Next, I'm taking the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline, and I'm just going to put that and I'm going to blend it with my finger. I'm going to bake my face using this Nichido loose powder. Next, I'm going to be taking the Eyebrow by Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm just going to fill my eyebrow skin. Next, I'm going to be using the Eyebrow by Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm just going to put that to my brow bone. Next, I'm taking this blush palette by NYX, and I'm taking this shimmery shade and I'm going to put it on my lids. Next, I'm taking this shade and I'm just going to put that. And then taking the shade, I'm going to put that to highlight the shimmery one. And I'm taking the Kylie bronze palette and I'm taking this orangey shade and I'm going to put that on the outer part of my lid. And then I'm going to be brushing the powder off. Next, I'm taking the City Color Contour Effects and I'm just going to be contouring my face. And next, I'm taking the eyelash curler and then I'm just going to be curling my eyelashes. I'm going back to the NYX Blush Palette and I'm going to take this shade and use it as my blush. Next, I'm using this highlighter from Benefit. This is the What's Up highlighter, and I'm just going to put that to my face to highlight. Next, I'm taking the Real Mascara by Benefit, and I'm just going to put that to my eyelashes, and I love it so much, guys. It gives that instant volume for your eyelashes, so yeah. Next, I'm taking this Colourette lipstick in the shade of Bethany. Finally, I'm going to spray my face with the Loreal Infallible Setting Spray.